News 4, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Well, we have Paul Hagan in the house. When it comes to beautiful days around here, boy, this is the time of year.
And
wow.
Getting that update from Puerto Rico for the first time in a while, there are no systems brewing in the Atlantic Ocean.
Finally,
so that's good news. And some good news for folks in California, too. Let's take a look at that. Then we'll return to our local weather. Of course, they've been battling the wildfires and the gusty conditions, keeping the fire danger elevated. But finally, a little bit of good news for those folks in Northern California, at least. Increased humidity as that flow coming off of the Pacific Ocean shifts just a little bit, which just sends a bit more moisture towards Northern California. They'll take whatever they can get. Atmospheric river basically pointed at the mountains of Washington and Oregon, so they're going to be measuring several inches of rain and the possibility of several feet of snow, especially up in the Cascades. So the majority of the moisture is still a little farther north, but again, Northern California, at least there's some good news. They're getting a bit of a break from those very dry and very windy conditions. Around here, wind hasn't been a problem. In fact, there really have been no problems in our weather over the past several hours. There was some locally dense fog to start this morning. Took until about 9 o'clock to dissipate in a few locations around Metro Nashville, but since then, severe clear and temperatures have warmed up. Currently, we're in the 70s with clear skies overhead. Obviously, nothing on the forewarned live radar, but it's a calm weather pattern all around us as well. All the National Weather Service radars around us sweeping around, finding nothing, not a drop of rainfall for hundreds of miles in every direction. Let's zoom in and take a look at those current temperatures, and they're not bad at all for an October late afternoon. 73 degrees in Nashville right now, 72 in Gallatin and Columbia, 68 degrees in Murfreesboro, just a few spots in the upper 60s, otherwise generally in the low 70s. We will drop off as the sun goes down. Sun goes down just after 6 o'clock this evening. By 10 o'clock this evening, we'll be down into the mid 50s already. Not dropping as far as we did this morning. Started off this morning at 42 degrees, but we're going to warm up a little bit more than that as we head through the daylight hours tomorrow. Starting off at 46 degrees, we'll climb up into the low 70s already by noon. Some locally dense fog possible again. I think it'll dissipate a little bit faster, and our temperatures will warm up a little bit faster. Low 70s by noon, and then into the mid to upper 70s for highs tomorrow afternoon. Partly cloudy skies, just a few fair weather clouds that you can see on the sky simulation here in the background. And a little bit warmer. The southerly winds, along with the October sunshine, pushing our temperatures up just a little bit more each day. That's a trend that's going to continue until our next chance of showers and thunderstorms heads our way, which isn't going to be until the back half of the weekend. So Sunday, there's the possibility of some scattered showers and storms. I think it's more likely that it's going to hold off until Sunday night. In the meantime, nothing going on. Everything being steered around us for the next several days. So nice weather tonight, tomorrow, Friday, for Saturday as well. Just a little bit warmer, up to around 80 degrees. Then this next weather maker starts getting its act together out to our west on Saturday and starts heading our way on Sunday, but it's still going to be to the west of the Mississippi River as the sun comes up on Sunday morning, and it doesn't look like it's going to make a whole lot of progress towards us during the day Sunday. Kind of a slow mover, which means that best chance of showers and thunderstorms will probably hold off until after the sun goes down Sunday evening, but it's still a little bit too soon to be making any promises about specific timing. We'll keep you updated. Once that system moves through, the long-range temperature outlook for the next 2 weeks actually calls for a big area of cooler than normal temperatures, which includes the entire mid-state. And it looks like once we see that weather pattern kind of shift a little bit, it's also going to be a drier weather pattern for us. Driest weather farther out to our west, but hope we get some free lawn watering out of this one Sunday night and Monday, because after that, lingering showers Tuesday will dry out on Wednesday, and then things are looking dry for quite a while as we look at the long-term trends. But in the short term, warming up to around 80 degrees Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before the rain arrives. And then we drop off once again down into those 60s for high temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, with overnight lows dropping back down into the 40s, which is normal for late October.
That's right. And no complaints about free